When taking Culturelle Health and Wellness, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. Depending on the specific product, the dose may need to be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon, and not a household spoon. If you are also taking antibiotics, it's important to note that some probiotic products, like Culturelle, may contain live bacteria that could be affected by the antibiotics. To ensure the effectiveness of the probiotic product, it's recommended to take it at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. For those taking Culturelle to address diarrhea caused by antibiotics, it's advised not to use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. If the condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, it's crucial to seek medical help promptly. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. Serious side effects are rare, but it's important to seek medical help right away if you notice any signs of infection, or if you experience a serious allergic reaction such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. Remember to always consult your healthcare professional for medical advice about side effects. Before taking Culturelle Health and Wellness, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. If you have certain health conditions like prolonged diarrhea, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal or urinary tract infections, diabetes, or phenylketonuria, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, talk to your doctor about the risks and benefits before using this product. And if you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using. When taking Culturelle Health and Wellness, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics, like Culturelle Health and Wellness, include antibiotics, antifungals such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nystatin. Be sure to consult your healthcare professional before starting Culturelle Health and Wellness if you are taking any of these medications. As for the best time to take this, it is recommended to take it with a meal. The daily dosage is typically 1 capsule per day, but it's important to follow the instructions on the label or as directed by your healthcare provider. If someone has taken too much Culturelle Health and Wellness and is experiencing severe symptoms like losing consciousness or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Be sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments as directed by your healthcare provider. Additionally, it's important to note that some brands of Culturelle Health and Wellness may also contain other ingredients, such as fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the specific ingredients in your brand, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more information. If you forget to take a dose of Culturelle Health and Wellness, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the one you missed and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take double the amount to make up for the missed dose. When it comes to storing probiotics, it's important to note that different types may have different storage needs. Some may need to be kept in the refrigerator, while others should not be refrigerated. Be sure to check the product package for specific instructions on how to store your probiotics. If you have any questions about storage, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's also important to keep all medications, including probiotics, out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding probiotics, it's important not to flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about the proper way to dispose of your probiotics, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.